Welcome. Today we're going to walk through the updated steps to enable manual upload notifications on Dropbox. If you want to stay on top of every file you upload manually, this quick guide will help you make sure those notifications are turned on. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all your app permissions and notifications live. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and find the section labeled Apps or Applications, depending on your device. Tap on Apps and then look for Dropbox in the list. You might see it right away, or you might need to scroll a bit since it lists all the apps installed on your phone. Once you've found Dropbox, tap on it to open the app details. Now you'll see an option for notifications. Tap on this to view all the notification categories Dropbox uses. This is where things get interesting because Dropbox breaks down notifications into different types, letting you customize exactly what alerts you want to receive. Inside the notification categories, look specifically for manual uploads. This setting controls the alerts for files you upload manually to your Dropbox account. If the toggle next to manual uploads is off, simply switch it on by tapping the toggle. This will make sure you get a notification every time a file is manually uploaded. After toggling it on, you may want to check the notification style and priority to make sure these notifications appear just the way you like them, whether it's a sound alert, a banner, or a silent notification. And that's it. You've successfully enabled manual upload notifications on Dropbox, so you won't miss a thing when you add files manually. It's a simple setting but super handy for keeping track of your uploads in real time. If you ever want to turn off or customize these notifications again, just follow the same steps. Thanks for watching.